Elementary Japanese Lesson 13. Would you like to have lunch together?
一緒にお昼ご飯を食べませんか
Verbs in
ませんか
is used to ask someone if they would like to do something. It is similar to, would you like to? Do you want to? Shall we? In English. Remove the must of the verb in must form and replace it with
ませんか
normally it is used together with
一緒に
where
一緒に
means together in English. Examples of sentences. Would you like to have a meal together?
一緒にご飯を食べませんか
Exercise.
練習
1. Do you want to have a drink together?
一緒にお酒を飲みませんか
2. Shall we sing together?
一緒に歌を歌いませんか
How would you answer it?
どう答えますか
To accept it. You will reply, Yes, let's go.
はい、行きましょう。
Or, to decline it. You will reply, I'm sorry, but.
すみません、ちょっと。
Exercise.
練習
3. Would you mind taking a photo for me?
写真を撮ってくれませんか
4. Do you want to go to school by bicycle tomorrow?
明日自転車で学校へ行きませんか
Challenge.
チャレンジ
1.
うちで映画を見ませんか
How do you say it in English? 2.
私の仕事を手伝ってくれませんか
How do you say it in English? 3. Do you want to play tennis together this Sunday?
日本語で何と言いますか
Please feel free to write your answer in the comment section below. The tip is in the vocabulary box. How do you like it? I hope you have learned something from this YouTube video. Why not making a few of your own sentences with this? Please feel free to comment, and if you like this video, please give it a like and share it. Remember to subscribe to this channel as well. A big thank you for your support.